Hello friends, welcome back to my channel A Bong's Lifestyle. Today we are going to make an amazing recipe with palm fruit. The name of today's recipe is taled bora or sugar palm fritters. This is a traditional recipe which is prepared during Janmashtami in every Bengali homes. So without further ado, let's get started. At first we will take the extracted juice of a ripe palm in a bowl. Then we will add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida and mix well. Then we will add half cup of wheat flour or atta, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, half cup of a sugar, a pinch of salt and mix it well to make it a thick batter. You may add a little bit of water if needed. Then we will take a kadhai and add sufficient oil in it for deep frying the fritters and let it heat up. After the oil gets heated up, we will add 1 tablespoon of batter in oil using hands or spoon in the oil to make taled bora or sugar palm fritters. We will fry around 8 to 10 fritters at one go depending on the size of the pan. In medium flame, fry taled bora for about 5 minutes or until the fritters turn deep brown in color. See, our taled bora is already golden and it is ready to be served. It tastes best when served in room temperature than being hot. Friends, for more interesting recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon beside. If you like my content, please like the video and share it. Till then, be happy, stay healthy. Bye bye everyone.